स्टार्ट करूंगी यहाँ पे।
नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि उसके बाद ही हम इसको शेयर कर सकते हैं।
रिकॉर्डिंग तो हो गई स्टार्ट ना?
जी जी। So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Founder Institute. Today we'll be having a session on meeting with FI alumni, and this is me, Sayyid Abdul Basit, one of the directors and local leader of Founder Institute Karachi chapter. Along with me, we have Iram and Umar. So over to you, Umar.
Assalamu alaikum. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, but the voice is too slow.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, a lot better.
Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone.
पता ही नहीं चलता।
वालेकुम।
हाँ, पंखे के बगैर गुजारा भी नहीं है और साथ साथ शोर भी होता है, अब क्या करें। Everyone, it's really good to be here with some of our founders today. These are people who have actually been through the journey that many people are still thinking about. So today we have with us Fawad, Ayaz, and an empty chair in which Ajaz is supposed to be sitting. Unless he has discovered an invisibility potion and he's actually sitting there. Inshallah, he will join us for probably chai wai ke liye gaye hue honge.
नहीं, yeah, he was there, he just left.
There he is. There he is. अभी मैं आपकी कुर्सी को सलाम कर रहा था एजाज, कैसे हैं आप?
मुझे सलाम कर सकते हैं, बल्कि मुझे अपने आप को सलाम करने का मौका दीजिए। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
अच्छा जी। So a quick intro for those of us who are new to Founder Institute or who will be watching this in video recording form. So Founder Institute is the world's largest pre-seed accelerator. And for those of you that are new to the world of startups and entrepreneurship, this basically means that the Founder Institute works to make founders better founders. Sorry, I have a call from Asif. Just 1 second. Assalamu alaikum Asif. बिल्कुल ठीक, आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं? Oh, so sorry. I'll send it to you right now. I'll send it to you right now. Ji. No worries. No worries. Thank you so much. Iram, could you please forward this link to Asif?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So as I was saying, the Founder Institute actually works to make potential founders into actual founders. And what does that mean? Most of the people that I meet that are interested in entrepreneurship or are interested in starting something actually don't know how to go about it. They have an idea, they have a seed that has been planted in their brain somewhere. उनको एक कीड़ा लग चुका है, मगर वो ये नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं कि उस कीड़े को रियलिटी में कैसे तब्दील किया जाए. So what the Founder Institute does is it conducts a 14-week, very structured program that helps you not only to become a better founder, but also helps you to learn how to bring your idea to the forefront. One of the key outputs of the Founder Institute program is that you will actually leave the program with a company formed. So that means you will have taken your idea from a seed to an actual plant, and it will have taken roots, inshallah. And it will be up to you after that to make sure and to grow it and make it into a large organization or not. Founder Institute provides you with incredible resources in terms of mentors, advisors, the outreach. Today, one of our early founders, his name is Asif Jafri, who I was just speaking to on the phone, will share with you his story, but he was one of those people who actually got a scholarship from Founder Institute Karachi to go and spend time in Silicon Valley. And he says that, that experience was completely unique in his life at that point and was a defining period in his life. So what can you expect if you join Founder Institute? Well, you can expect a lot of hard work because the FI program is not, you know, a really time pass kind of a program. It requires a lot of intervention from you. It requires a lot of engagement from you. Our founders will share their stories. Some of our founders actually struggled to get through the program simply because of the number of hours that were required. And they eventually had to really buckle down and put in a couple of hours a day in order to make it through the end of the program. We have about a 50% graduation rate on the program. So the people that you will hear from today, people like Fawad, Ejaz, and Ayaz, these are people who are exceptional and exceptionally dedicated to becoming founders, to bringing their dreams to reality. Some of you might know I recently rejoined IBA as a student, not as a teacher. I've started a second MBA. So many of my my peers, my classmates at IBA are actually, you know, उनको भी ये कीड़ा लग चुका है. वो ये सोच रहे हैं कि वो किस तरह कुछ कर सकते हैं या कुछ लोग already कुछ चीज़ों पे काम कर रहे हैं. They're already working on that, but they're not, you know, they're not confident in their ability to actually execute. That's what Founder Institute provides to people who join the program. Along with that, there's amazing networking. You get to network with all kinds of mentors, advisors, really brilliant people in the space. And you get exposure to FI's global programs. So, you know, you're becoming part of a global network of founders, advisors, mentors that is now in the thousands. Right now, there are more than 85 or 90 Founder Institute programs happening around the world. And you can imagine there are hundreds, if not thousands of people enrolled in those 90 chapters and 90 programs. It's a brilliant time to think about entrepreneurship. The job situation in Pakistan, like everywhere in the world, has never been so dicey, has never been so challenging. And every day, if you're one of those people who go home at the end of the day and you think, oh my God, I don't think I can go back to work tomorrow. I hate my job. I hate the people I work with. I want to do something for myself. If I have to work hard, and you know, you will have to work hard wherever, you know, whatever you do in your life. Nothing good comes from zero work. You may as well do it working for yourself. That's why my personal favorite hashtag is start something, because it actually allows you to start a flame, ignite a flame, which you can then, with the help of the Founder Institute, with the help of the directors, the mentors, the advisors, the alumni, the network that you become part of, you can grow and nurture that flame in, to ever higher levels. I think I've said enough. I would like to hand over to Basit to talk a little bit about the details and the logistics. And then I'm really looking forward to hearing the stories of Asif, Ejaz, Ayaz, and Fawad. Thank you all for joining us. Looking forward to a fantastic session.
Okay, and Basit is not here.
Oh, his internet is acting up. Iram, would you like to jump in?
Yeah, I can, but I don't have the slides with me at the moment, so let me just pick out the. Meanwhile, should we just have a chit chat with the founders, like how was their experience and all that? So Basit has joined back. So Basit, it's your call now.
Okay, sure.
Thank you, Basit.
Just give me a minute.
Basit, would you like to
Somehow
share?
we are not having an option to make it live on Facebook or YouTube. Earlier it was coming, but now I'm not sure where it's.
Acha, Abhi, let's just carry on with the session. Recording ho rahi, then we'll share the recording.
Sure. So I guess what we can Shall I proceed with the FI briefing, or shall we?
Yeah. The FI briefing, would you like to share this slides as well?
Sure. Just give me a minute.
While Basit is doing that, I just want to share that the one thing that I miss the most about being in the office is in my hand right now. The continuous chai and chit chat that goes with the chai, the water cooler chat, the hi hello in the corridor. ये चीजें आदमी बड़ा मिस करता है virtual जिंदगी में.
नहीं, virtual जिंदगी में ये काम
बिल्कुल.
family.
मतलब we usually used to connect with people.
Yeah. अच्छा, मजे की बात ये है कि I've become a student at IBA, but I'm a teacher at KSBL. So KSBL has given the option to all the teachers to teach either virtually or in person, or create a hybrid model where some classes are in person and some classes are virtual. So I'm thinking I'm going to take the hybrid model, because some classes like presentation, those sort of things are better done in person.
Actually, HEC has also recommended the hybrid model, and most of the universities globally are also going hybrid. So it depends on the course as well. There are some courses where it can totally be going on, and it depends on the faculty as well. So some people like me have opted for total virtual option, but there are many faculty who have even requested that no, we have to do it offline. Very few online sessions, but mostly are going hybrid.
Right.
So I prefer the total online sessions.
Fair enough.
I enjoy chit chat with my family. So the jo water cooler chit chat hoti hai na, that goes on with the family. Okay, so Basit is on with the session.
Worldwide Okay, so Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sayyidul Basit, one of the director of Founder Institute Karachi chapter. I've seen Asif also joined us, so Assalamu alaikum Asif. So let me continue with Founder Institute Karachi. Around 4,250 startups graduated from, or you can say alumni, founders who got benefit from Founder Institute program. And these startups who get benefit from this program, they get a valuation of more than $20 billion. Founder Institute 2009, and it was like they believe that entrepreneurs create real impact on society, but for most startups fail because they lack expert feedback. And this is one of the reasons Founder Institute is valuable for, especially for those who are at the pre-seed stage of the business. Second, our program helps pre-seed founders specifically, and teams get to traction and funding through a devoted support network. Like we are not, we are not focusing on seed investment. We are our target audience is those who are like to build their startup at the very introductory stage, and we work on founders. We don't work on you can say we mainly focus on building the business acumen of that individual or individuals who would like to start their entrepreneurship journey.
No, we can
When
hear
we started in 2009, that was like April 2009. When you can see here, there's a financial crunch was happening like almost 11 years ago. And Founder Institute started in that financial crunch. And since then, what we have seen like many companies who, because when we talk about startups usually thrive in disruption. When the typical enterprises are facing challenges and doing cost cutting and worrying about giving salary to their employees, startup to disrupt in those circumstances. And because one of the major reasons of speed through which they adapt. So these are the companies which were established in like almost 11 years ago, 11 to 9 years ago. And you can, on the top of the list, you can see here Airbnb, Uber, Udemy, Twitch, and like if you just Google it right now, they are like almost Zoom at the bottom of the list. So these companies were started and at pre or post that 2009 financial crunch, but if you can see their position right now, they are like a big company. So to build a company, and to becoming a billionaire company, a unicorn, it takes time. You definitely need to work on it. It's not like success never comes in a very short span of time. It takes a lot. It comes after a lot of failure, and failure is all about learning and avoiding and yourself to repeat those similar mistakes. This is the time we believe this is the time for you to build our post-COVID future, and for that we are here as a Founder Institute is going to help you. So how FI is can help you in your startup journey is like like right now, since COVID, like every program is happening worldwide is a virtual program, and we are enrolling more applicants in our different programs. Like they are in more cities, we are opening our FI program. And also the fees, usually the fees is like $300, $399 or approximately $400 in Pakistan. But now it's like if you're referring to Pakistan, like in Karachi, which we are going to launch a second cohort in 2020. So we are, and then this time we can also offer you more office hours. So through a software in which founders and mentors can interact and book their office hours to get a consultation on their startup. Then how Founder Institute is differentiated from other players in the ecosystem. Like Founder Institute is a pre-seed accelerator, and we work with founders and teams to get a business to grow or to launch. We are focusing on two aspects of the business, because we are not like seed accelerator in which Y Combinator or Techstars or 500 is working, because we are working on the investment readiness before the seed stage. It's like we are working on the pre-seed stage to work on the founders and their building their business mindset. So pre-seed applicants categorizes into these three boxes. Like they have at the end they have a team, or they have developed a prototype or about to build a prototype, and then they also want to grow their business. Like they have some products which they already launched, and they want to get more revenue from those launch products. So we have two tracks. The first track is about market, and then we have a second track, which is growth track, in which later founders already, those who already started their business, they join the program to grow their business. That like how they can increase their bottom line through traction and funding. So Founder Institute, Founder Institute comprises of a 14 weeks program, almost completed in 4 months. And as we have mentioned earlier, it's about launch track and growth track. And once you completed the Founder Institute program, then you get an opportunity to enroll yourself in a 3 to 6 month virtual advisory program to reach your next milestone through Founder Lab. So Founder Lab is a platform which is running globally, worldwide, accessible for all the graduate of Founder Institute, and more importantly managed by FIHU directly. And it's like not a limited time program. It's like depending on your startup journey and the value you are going to provide to your target customer, FI decide mutually that how long they should trying to help you in this procedure. So I will give you more detail about this Founder Lab in later session. So those companies who graduated from Founder Institutes, like in North America, we have Udemy, on Latin America, and then EMEA region, we have many companies who got acquired. And in Asia, we have GoFar. So one of the flagship companies which is popular right these days is Udemy.com. And Udemy is one of the graduates from Founder Institute. So 45 plus portfolio companies got acquired. So these companies got benefit from Founder Institute program. And once they launched later on at this stage, business stage, they have been acquired by other big companies. So till now, how much investment Founder Institute startups raised till date? So they are like around more than $950 million, or approximately $1 billion. Entrepreneurs raised from investors. This is the amount which the FI alumni raised through investors. How do we do it? We give them a devoted time and support through our support network. Put them through a structured growth process and provide a lifetime of support. So we are not building in to empower this and add value in your startup journey. So for how we are doing it, first we find great people, and because great companies start with great people, not with great ideas. It's about the people, it's about the individual, it's about you, that how you are going to add value. That is important. And for that, we build a test. Social science-based admission test, through which we able to identify that who's our startup journey right now and who are not. So you don't need to submit an ID to apply. 1 hour long online psychographic and aptitude test, through which we'll be able to identify that either you have that entrepreneurial DNA or you are still need to develop. And then we only accept high potential entrepreneurs. It's not like anyone can apply, but only selected applicants get opportunity to enroll to FI program. Second, we create a devoted support network. Great companies are not built alone. They need constant feedback. So for that, we have a large pool of network. And as I'll be explaining in the later slides as well. Like now, the good part of the virtual program is since we have launched ORs, which is the Office R tool. So any founder who's available online and based in any part of the world. So it's an excellent opportunity for you to get the advice related to your business, related to your industry from the large pool of 15,000 mentors accessible through FI platform. So mentors are invested in your success through our equity collective. And what is equity collective? That is important for all these stakeholders. So before explaining the equity collective, there are 4 major stakeholders who are involved in this FI. The first is the alumni, the one who who enrolled in the program as a founder and then later on graduated from the FI program. It's about you, the founder who's going to start their entrepreneurship journey. Second is the mentor who is going to give guidance and support throughout the 4 months with their expert opinion, and they're having using their diverse industry experience. Third is the local leaders that we are, the directors, and then last is the Founder Institute HQ. So everyone get 1% of that equity collected, that you receive financial upside in all companies from your cohort. So like after like 6 weeks, after a month almost, founders can participate in the equity collective. Halfway through your program, you can contribute 4% in warrants to a 15-year equity collective. So Founder Institute manage your warrants for the 15-year equity collective program. That then you can get 1% from all the startups success. So it's like कि अगर आपने जो है आपने अपने business में let's say 100 million की investment आपको मिली है, but the other founder which was that company get investment of like let's say 500 million. So any of these each alumni get 1% having a 1% share in all the companies which graduated from the program. Then 1% will be given to the mentors. वो लोग जो आपको guide करेंगे throughout your startup journey, they will get 1% of that 4%. So this 4% will divided into these 4 different stakeholders. Like focus is a startup's biggest challenge, and focus is speed. If your focus is distracted and diverted, then you're not able to move with agility. So to move with agility, to expand your business quickly and launch it, you need to focus. And to focus, it's like we have a very structured program, like a proven process to build quickly and cheaply, updated 2 times every year, based on global feedback, with a highly structured and sequential program, aggressive growth sprints with weekly deliverables. So during this 14 weeks program, every week there are some deliverables which the founder is supposed to complete, and these deliverables are like connected to each part of the program. Like in the beginning, you'll be working on the vision part, and later on you'll be working on the product part, and at the end you'll be working on the investment readiness and equity, that how you are going to share equity in your startup. And through these 14 weeks, you'll get a constant feedback and honest feedback, feedback from mentors, feedback from directors. And then we divided our program in 2 stages. First is the launch track, and second is the growth track. So the launch track and growth track both comprises of 14 weeks, but with different KPIs and deliverables. And so those who are at the early stage, they don't have either they have an idea or not have an idea. They work on the early stage level, where they enroll themselves in the launch track. And in the launch track, it's comprises of 14 weeks, starting with orientation and ending at showcase and celebration. During this journey, you'll be pitching, working on customer development, working on your sales and customer acquisition, product development, legal, IP, and team advisory, building a team, and so on. And throughout this program, you'll be getting feedback from mentor, you'll be getting feedback from directors, you'll be have an opportunity to discuss your startup and pitch your startup to different mentors on a weekly basis with different areas of the business. Similarly, the session for the growth track is similar, but the you can say the deliverables are different because we cannot compare apples with oranges. Those who are at the launch track have a different KPI, have a different outcome, and as compared to those who are already launched their business, but now they want to grow it. Secondly, we have additional perk for future, like apart from enrolling to the program, you have we will be having a weekly Ask Me Anything with Silicon Valley HQ team, where you will be getting a chance to discuss your ideas and get feedback on your startup with Edu Resi, who's the CEO of Founder Institute. And also you can have more office hours with local leaders and mentors from around the world. Then we have a fast track to our post programs, Founder Lab, where you can prepare to raise seed round. And then as an FI graduate, you can attend any in-person program session in any city around the world at any time. So these are the few more perks that you'll be getting once you graduate from FI program. So once you graduate from Founder Institute program, then you have an opportunity to enroll yourself in the Founder Lab, and also you'll be a part of alumni network. So this Founder Lab program, it comprises of 3 to 6 months. It's an advisory program that provides devoted support and a structured process to help you reach post-program milestones. It's a completely free program for FI alumni, and it's completely 100% online, virtual session. Founder Lab, if you get shortlisted and suggested by directors for the Founder Lab, then these are the 3 stages you need to go through. First is the product market fit, then second is the funding lab, and third one is the venture lab. So let's discuss more about the funding lab. So in the funding lab, the goal is to get your lead investor. And for that, we'll work on how to access to shared database of investor and advisor. Then best deck term sheet is one of the critical aspect of. So these all are the things you'll be able to get from the Founder Lab. This is a 12-week plan with how we are going to assist you in this journey with different sprints. But there is a warning, and the last part of the my presentation, that we are here to help, but the Founder Institute is hard. It's like it's not us. System players are offering, it's different. So because building an enduring business is much harder, and 40% make it through the program by design. We practice brutal, honest, and no threes allowed. Like we believe on honest feedback, and either we give 1, 2, or 4 or 5. Usually our mentors are not supposed to give 3 rating when they are listening to your pitches. So how you are going to, how you can graduate or through FI program, you must complete all the deliverables, weekly deliverables, which you're supposed to done on a weekly basis. And secondly, to get a high mentor rating. And both of the things you need to work on. You cannot do very good in submitting all your deliverables, but if you have a poor rating, then not able to survive. And if you get drop out from the program at the later stages of if you drop out before third session, then you can get full refund. I'll give you more detail in the upcoming slides. But if you drop out during the session after the third session, then you can join the next cohort completely free. So this is the the finances that you should consider about. So right now, application is free. Fee is free. You can do it without paying this $25 amount. It's completely free for attendees and before the early deadline. So the early deadline for Karachi semester is it's 4th of October, and for other chapters you can refer to their landing page. Apart from the application fee, so right now the charging is like it's very low, because if you drop out or if you due to any reason if you want to refund and do it by telling your mentors, telling the director as well as telling FIHQ through an email that you want to you don't want to continue, and we will give you a full refund before the third session, which is the customer development session. The first session is about orientation, second is vision, and third is customer development. So before customer development, you can do this. The second one is like the fee is reduced. Like usually we have $400, but now we are. So the Founder Institute provides a devoted support network and growth process to help you get to traction and funding. This is the summary of the entire presentation. So I wish you all the best in your startup journey, and if you are willing to pursue it, then I definitely recommend you Founder Institute program. For more details, you can visit to fi.co/overview, and if you are interested to apply for Karachi cohort, then you can apply at fi.co/join/Karachi. So thank you so much. This is Syed Abdul Basit, Director, Founder Institute, Karachi. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so this is it from my side. If any of the participants have question, they can ask. Otherwise, we can move towards our alumni who will be sharing their FI journey. Miriam, we cannot hear you. Your mic is mute.
Sorry. We have some participants. They can post their questions in the chat box, and then we'll get back to them. And I think we should take the question answers towards the end. So let's proceed with the founders.
Sure.
Can we move on with Asif Jafri first?
And when you think of an idea, there are many refinement points that you go through. So I went through a lot of struggles and hit a lot of downfalls. When I was able to get my idea developed and conceived, it was all digital. And I started speaking with salespeople and marketing people on how to get this solution to the right people so that they can benefit from it. And what I was getting was all the cliche ideas that I could get in the world. Like I did have a book with me, and I was writing all those ideas, and whoever new I met, they were simply iterating the same ideas that I already had jotted down. And during that struggle, the search of 6 or 7 months, I somehow came across to the Founders Institute. And I checked out the website, I saw a few YouTube videos, I attended their orientation sessions. And what I like the most about the Founders Institute, they are not concerned about the startup that you're making. They're not concerned about the company that you're making, but they're concerned about you. The Founders Institute will basically develop you so that you can become a better person, so that you can found a better companies, and not only a single company, that you're able to found multiple companies in future. Should I say something more about anything?
Okay, I don't know. If you're done, it's okay. So anything else? Okay, so Ayaz and Fawad, anyone would like to say something? And we would like to hear
जरूर
your experiences, purely your experiences.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walaikum
this is
assalam.
Sheikh Ayaz. I'm the founder of Go Spark, one of the startups that we've been working on since last year. और इसके अलावा I've been you know involved in a software company, digital marketing company. So this is probably the third or fourth venture that we've started. So जरूरी है इंग्लिश में ही करना है थोड़ा, मेरा ख्याल है हमारी ऑडियंस कोई जो है वो देसी भी होगी थोड़ी सी,
आप
जी
तो
जी
उर्दू
बिल्कुल
आम जुबान
बिल्कुल जी जी
मैंने कहा
वो
आम जुबान में भी थोड़ी सी बात कर ले।
उर्दू में दिल से बात निकलती है ना।
हाँ तो भाई इसीलिए वो फिर मजा उसी में आता है ना, तो वो
सही
ये कि आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल। तो गोस्ट पार्क हमने स्टार्ट किया जी लास्ट ईयर, एंड देन लोकल इकोसिस्टम में तकरीबन जितने ही प्लेयर्स हैं सबसे मैं कनेक्टेड भी हूँ, उनसे सीखने का बहुत मौका मिलता है। तो फाउंडर्स इंस्टीट्यूट वाज अगेन अ न्यू ऑप्शन फॉर अस, और वहाँ पे सुना, एक सेशन अटेंड किया, थोड़ा सा ऑनलाइन देखा। तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो मिसिंग मुझे नजर आती थी बाकी प्रोग्राम्स में, वो ये कि एक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, डिसिप्लिन नहीं है। और बिजनेस हो, जॉब हो, डिसिप्लिन जो है वो दैट्स की नंबर वन चीज, कि आपको वो आना चाहिए, आपको वो इम्पोर्टेंस समझ आनी चाहिए। तो सबसे अच्छी चीज मुझे जो प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही लगी थी एफआई की, वो एक डिसिप्लिन था। ऑन बोर्डिंग प्रोसेस में ये नहीं कि जी हर कोई क्या नाम है उसको बस ज्वाइन करके फौरन जो है प्रोग्राम में एंटर हो रहा है, एक प्रॉपर स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है। अगेन वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई ऑलवेज सेड कि ऑल्दो हर कोई बिजनेस करना चाहता है, लेकिन बिजनेस हर किसी के लिए नहीं है, पर्सनैलिटी का बहुत फैक्टर होता है। प्लस मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ये करियर चॉइस नहीं है, ये एक लाइफस्टाइल है, कि सुबह उठने से लेकर रात सोने तक जो है वो आप अपना लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज बिजनेस फर्स्ट देन। तो वो एक मुझे अच्छा लगा इसके अंदर के जो एक प्रॉपर ऑनबोर्डिंग का प्रोसेस था, प्रॉपर स्क्रीनिंग का प्रोसेस था। और फिर इस सब में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज के सब कुछ पोर्टल पे है, मतलब ये नहीं कि आप कागज पे बैठ के भर रहे हैं या आपको पता नहीं लग रहा कि आपका क्या आउटपुट है। तो सारा कुछ पोर्टल पे है, सिस्टम बना हुआ है, वो पूरा आप जिस दिन ज्वाइन करते हैं तब से लेके आपकी ग्रेजुएशन तक जितने भी आपके सेशंस होने हैं वो सब ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड होते हैं, आपको डेट्स पता होती हैं, आप अपनी एक्टिविटीज को उस हिसाब से प्लान कर सकते हो। ऐसा नहीं कि हाफ हैजर्ड कोई बीच में एकदम सेशन आ जाएगा और आप कहीं और हैं, कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। तो दैट वाज आल्सो एक्सीलेंट। सबसे खतरनाक चीज एफआई की वो है असाइनमेंट्स। मतलब वो बासित भाई ने बहुत प्यार से एक्सप्लेन किया कि वो वीकली असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं और वो डिलीवरेबल्स होते हैं, वो करने होते हैं, पर वो सबसे खतरनाक चीज है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारे कोहॉर्ट में काफी लोग इस वजह से भी ड्रॉप आउट हुए कि वो टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे थे। एंड आई थिंक वाइल ये खतरनाक चीज है, दूसरे एंड पे बहुत अच्छी चीज इस वजह से है कि इट यूज्ड टू कीप अस ऑन आवर टोज। हमें पता होता था कि हमारी जो डिलीवरेबल आ रहा है, तो उससे कम से कम 2-3 दिन पहले सारे जो फाउंडर्स हैं वो एक दूसरे को व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर रहे होते थे, यार तुमने फलाना कर लिया, उस सवाल में क्या है उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है। डायरेक्टर्स को हम तंग कर रहे होते थे। तो आई थिंक इट वाज काइंड ऑफ लिविंग बैक द ओल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी डेज। लेकिन इवन फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस स्टैंड पॉइंट, जैसे मैंने कहा, डिसिप्लिन उसने बिल्ड किया हमारे अंदर। फिर हमें पता होता था कि हर सैटरडे को या जब भी जो भी डेट है उसमें हमारा सेशन है, तो हम अपनी एक्टिविटीज ऑलरेडी प्लान करते थे उस हिसाब से। और फिर एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो मुझे बाकी प्रोग्राम्स में मिसिंग लगी, कि जो बाकी फाउंडर्स हैं, जो आपके कोहोर्ट में बाकी लोग हैं, उनका ये वाला बिजनेस चले ना चले, जाहिर है वो कुछ ना कुछ और करते रहे हैं, उनका एक बैकग्राउंड है। तो बाकी प्रोग्राम जिनसे मैं इन टच रहा उसमें ये चीज़ मुझे एक मिसिंग लगी कि बाकी जो फाउंडर्स या कंपनीज हैं उनसे आपकी इतनी सलाम दुआ नहीं हो पाती, या वो अपने उसमें बिजी होते हैं, आप अपने उसमें बिजी होते हैं। जबकि एफआई में इट इज मैंडेटरी फॉर यू टू नो द अदर फाउंडर्स एंड वर्क विद देम। जो वो ग्रुप्स बनाए जाते हैं उनमें फिर प्रेसिडेंट्स बनाए जाते हैं, उन ग्रुप्स ने लाजमी मिलना होता है, लाजमी आपस में डिस्कस करना होता है, हर फाउंडर से दूसरे फाउंडर्स के बारे में पूछा जा रहा होता है, प्रेसिडेंट आके पूरी रिपोर्ट देता है कि जी फलाना ये कर रहा है, फलाना वो कर रहा है। तो वो आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो सुपर हेल्पफुल, बिकॉज जैसे एजाज भाई हैं, फवाद भाई हैं, और हमारे जितने भी फाउंडर्स थे मेरे कोहॉर्ट में फ्यू मंथ्स बैक, so I knew each of them individually, what they've been doing, what they're planning to do. You know, बहुत सारी हमारी discussions भी हुई जहाँ पे you know everyone was adding value to the other company. तो ये एक बड़ा जबरदस्त उसमें माहौल था। प्लस फिर स्पेशली आई थिंक लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट द मेंटर्स एंड द डायरेक्टर्स। ये एक अगेन जैसे असाइनमेंट्स का मैं एक हेड्स अप दे रहा हूँ, वैसे मेंटोर्स का भी एक हेड्स अप यही है कि बहुत तगड़ा और क्रिटिकल फीडबैक होता है। हो सकता है आपको अच्छा ना भी लगे, और हो सकता है कि आपको गुस्सा भी आ जाए कि यार ये मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ और ये क्या कह रहे हैं। तो लेकिन ये कि आई थिंक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वही फीडबैक जो है वो आपको हेल्प करता है। बहुत सारे टाइम हम एग्री नहीं करते थे मेंटोर्स की ओपिनियन से, लेकिन ये कि अगेन दैट्स देयर बैकग्राउंड, देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। तो ये कि इसमें भी एक बड़ा हेल्प हो जाती है। और आई थिंक जस्ट टू क्लोज आउट, काफी मैंने टाइम ले लिया, लेकिन ये कि इट्स अ ग्रेट प्रोग्राम। मैं फैन हूँ अभी तक के जो स्ट्रक्चर है, जो प्रोसेस है उसका। और आई थिंक एवरी serious founder should definitely consider uh, applying for Founders Institute, or if you're lucky and you go through, so I think this will be a great learning experience throughout your life. आपका जो venture आपने start करना चाह रहे हैं वो चले या ना चले, लेकिन I think throughout your life you will have this structured approach on how you should think about whenever you're starting a new venture, or whenever you're maybe partnering into an existing venture. So it's super helpful and I would highly recommend.
Thank you very much, Ayaz. It was a very interesting talk, and बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें जो शायद हमें FI को pitch करने के लिए हम नहीं बोलते थे, अब हमें पता चली, and we should use those. So now next we have Fawad with us, and over to you, Fawad. How was your experience and how was your journey?
Right. So now my name is Fawad Moon, और मेरा भी co-founder of Sales Enhanced and graduated from last cohort. Yeah. So Alhamdulillah completed successfully, and now here to share my experience and some tips what I feel how we can get best from this program. तो सबसे पहले तो थोड़ा सा मैं अयाज ने और एजाज ने तो काफ़ी हद तक चीज़ें समाप्त कर दी हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन कर दी हैं कि किस तरह है। तो आई मीन दे हैव सम ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स। मैं अपना थोड़ा सा प्रोग्राम के हवाले से और जर्नी के हवाले से कुछ चीज़ें अपना फीडबैक देना चाहूँगा। उसमें ये FI का प्रोग्राम मैंने जैसे एजाज भाई ने बताया, अयाज ने बताया कि जो लोकल कोहोर्ट सिस्टम है उसमें FI का जो पैटर्न है और जो प्रोग्राम है वो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट है। ठीक है, वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम है। अब दो तीन पॉइंट्स में इसको बहुत अच्छे लगे जो इसमें हैं कि इनका जो करिकुलम है वो बहुत वेल डिज़ाइंड है, वेल थॉट, बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिसेस में फॉलो की गई हैं जो थ्रू आउट असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं, और वो उससे हमें अपनी प्रोडक्ट को, अपने आइडिया को जो है डेवलप करने में या उसको फिल्टर करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होती है। फिर दूसरा इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा रोल लोकल लीडर्स का आ जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव हैं। अब्दुल वासित ने स्पेशली थ्रू आउट द बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट किया था। इसी तरह मैडम है उमर आब्दीन, इनका भी अपना बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे साथ इंटरेक्शन रहा और चीज़ें अच्छी उसमें रही। दूसरा मेंटोर्स इसमें हमें काफ़ी अच्छे मिलते हैं। सम ऑफ द मेंटोर्स आर वेरी गुड और उनका फीडबैक वाकई इंपॉर्टेंट था, मार्केटिंग के हवाले से, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट के हवाले से और लीगल एडवाइस के हवाले से। वो काफ़ी लाइक उसमें चंद एक नाम थे, जैसे नुमान लाखानी है, उन्होंने बहुत वेरी हम्बल पर्सन और बहुत अच्छा ओपिनियन और बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते थे हमें अपनी प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करने में। अच्छा, दूसरी जो एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ थी इसमें वीकली मीटिंग्स हैं। जो इनकी वीकली मीटिंग्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि वर्किंग ग्रुप्स बना दिए जाते हैं 5 से 6 लोग, उसमें एक प्रेसिडेंट होता है और वो वीकली मीटिंग हमारे लिए मैंडेटरी होता है कि हफ्ते में 2 दफ़ा में मीटिंग करनी है, एक दफ़ा फिजिकल होती है और एक दफ़ा वर्चुअल होती है। तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करती है, क्योंकि जो दूसरे फाउंडर्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे की ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट करते हैं उसमें, और एक दूसरे की हमें स्ट्रगल, किस चीज़ में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं उसमें किस तरह से उसको हेल्प आउट कर सकते हैं। तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल थी, जो कि मैं दूसरे जो कोर्स सिस्टम है उसमें ये चीज़ मिसिंग है। अच्छा, मेरी जर्नी के हवाले से ये था कि जब हमने ज्वाइन किया था एफआई प्रोग्राम, तो हमारे पास एक क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट थी। मैं सॉफ्टवेयर हाउस से एक बैकग्राउंड है, तो वहाँ पे हमारे पास एक क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट थी जिसमें हमारे पास एक प्रोजेक्ट आया था। तो उसको देखते हुए हमने कुछ चीज़ें डेवलप की। लेटर भी रियलाइज किया यार इसी को ही लेकर हमें एक अपना प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करना चाहिए। तो हमने प्रोडक्ट तो एक एमवीपी तो डेवलप कर लिया था, लेकिन हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि हाउ की वी कैन मेक प्रोग्रेस। देन वी हैव नो आइडिया। और मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है कि जब मेरा सेकंड सेशन में जो हॉट सीट पिच हुई थी उसमें आई गॉट अ रेटिंग ऑफ 1.3 और उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंट हुआ था। उसका मेन रीज़न ये था कि मैं अपना जो प्रोडक्ट है, अपना आइडिया है, मैं उसको कन्वे नहीं कर पा रहा था। लेकिन आफ्टर डूइंग असाइनमेंट्स और विद द हेल्प ऑफ लोकल लीडर एंड द अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ अदर फाउंडर्स, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह चीज़ें इम्प्रूव हो गई। और बाय द आई थिंक जो मेंटर प्रोग्रेस रिव्यू होती है, छठा सेशन था हमारा, उसमें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी गॉट द 4 रेटिंग ऑफ 4। और इसके बाद जितने भी सेशन थे, जितनी भी हॉट सीट पिच थी, उसमें 4, इवन के समटाइम वी गॉट अ रेटिंग ऑफ 5। तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा इसने शेप अप कर दी चीज़ें कि हमें एक्चुअली करना क्या है, किस तरह से हमें अपनी चीज़ को, अपनी प्रोडक्ट को, अपने आइडिया को एक्सप्रेस करना है, किस तरह से इसमें डेवलपमेंट करनी है, क्या कॉम्पिटिटिव एनालिसिस करना है, कॉम्पिटिटर का एनालिसिस करना है, क्या रेवेन्यू मॉडल हमें डिसाइड करना है, क्या टारगेट्स होने चाहिए हमारे। वो बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें शेप अप कर दी। वो जब वो एक प्रॉपर करिकुलम है जिसको इन्होंने डिवाइड किया हुआ है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट का होता है, रेवेन्यू मॉडल का होता है, विजन का होता है, इस तरह बहुत सारे सेशन है। तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प आउट करता है, उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा हमें हेल्प किया। और जैसे रेटिंग्स अच्छी मिलने शुरू हो गई और हमने वो तो हमें भी अपने प्रोडक्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव हो गया कि हाँ ये है ऐसी चीज़ जिसे हम आगे लेके चल सकते हैं। अच्छा, तो ये जर्नी रही थी कि जब इन शॉर्ट मैं ये कहूँगा कि जब हमने ज्वाइन किया था हमें आइडिया नहीं था कि करना क्या है, और जब मैंने प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट किया तो मेरे सामने पूरा क्लियर पाथ था कि हाउ वी हैव टू मेक प्रोग्रेस इन इट। तो ये फाउंडर इंस्टीट्यूट आई मीन वर्थ है बिल्कुल, क्या जो के साथ अपना 4 महीने का टाइम स्पेंड किया। अच्छा, चंद एक टिप्स थी जो कोई फाउंडर अगर ज्वाइन करे तो उसके लिए था कि पहला एक ये कि आपने जब प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करना है ना, तो अपने आप के जो आपको नेक्स्ट 4 मंथ्स है ना, वो अपने डेडिकेट कर देना है फिर। यानी उसमें हो सकता है कि जो उनके असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं वो 10 to 15 आवर्स के हों, 20 आवर्स, 10 to 15 आवर्स, बट यू हैव टू डेडिकेट 25-40 आवर्स टू इट। अपने डेडिकेटली इनके साथ काम करना है। इनके जो भी वीकली मीटिंग्स हैं, असाइनमेंट्स हैं, और वो उनको बड़े डेडिकेटली कंप्लीट करना है, और वो सारे हेल्प आउट कर रहे होंगे आपके अपनी प्रोडक्ट के, आपको अपना आइडिया को इवेल्युएट करने के लिए, आपकी प्रोडक्ट को अपडेट करने के लिए। इसी तरह असाइनमेंट्स के हवाले से है कि बाज़ दफ़ा हम लोग ये करते थे कि यार लास्ट डेट तक जाते थे, यार अब एक दिन बाकी है, अब बैठ के असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। तो वो पर्पस हम लूज़ कर देते हैं जो असाइनमेंट को, क्योंकि बहुत सारे असाइनमेंट ऐसे होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आप 10 कस्टमर्स को इंटरव्यू करना है कि उनकी नज़र में आपकी प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू क्या है, हाउ मच दे कैन पे फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट, कितना रेवेन्यू आप उनसे जनरेट कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह आप बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को अगर आपको ऑन बोर्ड करना है तो उनके साथ मीटिंग्स करनी है। तो वो लास्ट डे में या लास्ट आवर में करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता। तो होता ये है कि आपको फ्रॉम द डे, जिस दिन, क्योंकि 1 वीक का टाइम होता है असाइनमेंट्स का, तो उस 1 वीक फ्रॉम डे 1 यू हैव टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर असाइनमेंट। ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा। वीकली मीटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, और जितने भी जो फाउंडर्स होते हैं वो उनसे इंटरेक्शन करना वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प आउट करता है। अच्छा, एक जो कुछ कंपनी से ड्रॉप आउट किया था, वो था SECP की रजिस्ट्रेशन के हवाले से। कि फाउंडर इंस्टीट्यूट की रिक्वायरमेंट है कि प्राइवेट लिमिटेड आपको अपनी कंपनी को रजिस्टर करवाना है। तो बहुत से लोग जो है ना इससे खौफजदा हो जाते हैं, यार ये क्या है, ये क्यों जाना पड़ेगा, हमें क्यों कराना है। वो इस जो है रजिस्ट्रेशन से SECP में जाने से वो होता है। बट बिलीव मी, मेरे साथ एजाज भाई थे, हम लोगों ने ऑनलाइन कर लिया, और विदाउट किसी लॉयर को अपने साथ इंगेज किए बगैर बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें सिंपल हो गई हैं। तो उसको रजिस्टर करना, SECP में कंपनी को रजिस्टर करना, वो कोई बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज नहीं रहा है। डेफिनेटली आप अपने देखेंगे कि क्या आपको उसमें आगे जाके करना है।
अच्छा फवाद, यहाँ पे मैं एक बात ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि गाइस, देयर वाज अ टाइम जब कंपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन की बात आई, तो मैंने सोचा भाई मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि द कंसल्टेंट्स वर चार्जिंग अ लॉट। जब मैंने कंसल्टेंट से बात की तो मुझे 25,000 से लेके 1.5 लाख की कोटेशंस मिली फॉर गेटिंग माय कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड इनकॉर्पोरेटेड एज अ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी। तो फवाद से मेरी ऐसी चिट चैट हो रही थी, मैंने कहा यार आई थिंक आई एम गोना गिव इन और मैं एग्जिट हो जाऊंगा।
And at that time, I remember, Ejaz, that you were like almost 95% you have decided that you're about to quit because you can
वही ना
register it next time
जी।
because the process
फिर
and
मेरी
the
फवाद से
demand from the
फवाद
lawyer
से
is
बात
too
हुई,
much.
और फवाद ने जो है मुझे कहा कि नहीं मैं भी ऑनलाइन कर रहा हूँ, आप भी ऑनलाइन करें। सो व्हाट आई वांटेड टू हाईलाइट इज द इकोसिस्टम दैट वी गेट इनटू। हमें अपने जैसे लोग मिलते हैं जो कि हमारे जैसी स्ट्रगल में है। हमारे दोस्तों में या मेरे पर्सनल दोस्तों में कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो इस स्ट्रगल में हो जिस स्ट्रगल में मैं चल रहा हूँ। तो वहां पे हमारी नई दोस्तियां हुई, अयाज के साथ, फवाद के साथ।
बिल्कुल।
तो ये तमाम लोग जो है एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट किया। अयाज से काफी बातचीत रही कि भाई ये लॉयर करना है नहीं करना। अयाज ने कहा भाई आप करें जो जी चाहे। प्लीज कैरी ऑन फवाद।
बिल्कुल। हाँ, तो ये बिल्कुल मुझे वो याद है, हम लोग स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर करते थे, यार मैंने ऑनलाइन सबमिट किया, मेरे पास ये रिप्लाई है, मेरे पास ये अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी गो थ्रू इट। तो कहने का मकसद ये कि चीजें डूएबल है, कोई वो नहीं, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है इसमें। तो और एक और चीज जो पर्टिकुलरली हमारी कंपनी के हवाले से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट हुआ था कि आई हैव ज्वाइन विद माय को फाउंडर। तो अगर आपकी कंपनी में आपके साथ कोई को फाउंडर है ना, तो आप दोनों ज्वाइन करें। मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा, ऐसा ना हो कि आप तो भाई एक बंदा ज्वाइन करे और दूसरा उसको कन्वे कर देगा, ऐसा ना हो। अगर आप 2 को फाउंडर हैं, बोथ शुड ज्वाइन।
And I think there is a benefit of joining as a co-founder as well, right, Basit?
Yes.
बिल्कुल, हाँ।
There is a 25% discount for each co-founder. So it's like if 4 members would like to join, so then just need to pay a fee for 3 founders, and the 4th one is completely free. If there are 3, then there is 50%.
I just want to. Go on. Sorry, Fahd. Please, sorry. I thought you were done. Go ahead.
अच्छा, अब बस को-फाउंडर का मैं कह रहा हूँ, को-फाउंडर के साथ ज्वाइन करने में ना बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा हो जाएगा। दोनों सेम पेज पे होते हैं, दोनों जो अपने हम लोग असाइनमेंट्स में एक दूसरे को हेल्प आउट कर रहे होते हैं, और बाकी ये वो बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो है ना स्ट्रीमलाइन हो जाती हैं। तो को-फाउंडर के साथ ज्वाइन करना बहुत अच्छा है। ना हो तो मेरी रिकमेंडेशन होगी कि फर्स्ट 2-3 सेशन में ही आप अपना कोई को-फाउंडर सेलेक्ट कर लें और उसमें जाए। तो एक इंडिविजुअल की निस्बत अगर आपके साथ कोई अच्छा को-फाउंडर आपको मिल जाए तो आई बिलीव कि काफ़ी हेल्प करे। तो बस यही थी कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन टिप्स और मेरी जर्नी के हवाले से। बाकी डिस्कस करते हैं।
Okay, thank you very much, Fawad. Umar, you were going to say something?
जी, एक्चुअली फवाद ने 2 बड़ी काम की बातें की। खैर सारी बातें बहुत काम की थी, मगर 2 पॉइंट्स जो हैं उन्होंने पर्टिकुलरली वैल्यूबल हाईलाइट किए। एक तो जो SECP की जो रजिस्ट्रेशन होती है उससे लोग पता नहीं क्यों घबराते हैं। Without having a registered company, it is almost impossible to fundraise for your company. If you are a sole proprietorship or a partnership,
Exactly.
no one will invest in your company. You need to have an SECP registration with the audit requirements being met and all of that stuff. उसके बगैर फंड रेजिंग ऑलमोस्ट नामुमकिन है, unless कि आप अपने वालिद साहब से जाके पैसे उधार पे लेके आ रहे हैं।
और अब तो बिल्कुल ही मुश्किल है, मतलब SECP ने और ओवरऑल जो बैंक्स के इर्द-गिर्द जो रेगुलेशंस हैं वो इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट हैं कि अब आपको ना चाहते हुए भी SECP के थ्रू रजिस्टर करना होगा, और प्रोसेस जिस तरीके से फवाद और एजाज ने मेंशन किया बहुत आसान हो गया है। It's
बिल्कुल।
like a matter of 1 hour.
So you know when you
कि अगर आपको मिलियन से ऊपर का कोई प्रोजेक्ट किसी क्लाइंट से भी पकड़ना है, you won't even get that on the basis of a sole proprietor company. उसके लिए भी आपको जो है प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एटलीस्ट होना चाहिए।
रजिस्ट्रेशन आपको करानी है भाई, आपको सिंध रेवेन्यू बोर्ड की रजिस्ट्रेशन दिखानी है, आपको FBR के साथ रजिस्ट्रेशन दिखानी। एक्चुअली अगर आप हमारे मुल्क में देखें जो 3 मेन रेगुलेटर हैं, एक एंड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम पे SECP है, उसके बाद स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान आता है, और उसके बाद फेडरल बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू आता है। तो जो सबसे इस वक्त फॉरवर्ड थिंकिंग और मैं कहूँगा ऑलमोस्ट विजनरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चल रही है वो SECP है। दे आर बिकमिंग मच मोर ओपन माइंडेड अबाउट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनीज जो ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज नहीं हैं, क्योंकि टेक कंपनीज में बहुत सारे ऐसे सेक्टर्स होते हैं जो ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज को, मतलब ट्रेडिशनल लोगों को समझ में ही नहीं आते हैं। तो SECP is actually becoming quite open to that and quite flexible to that. The second is State Bank of Pakistan, जहाँ पे बहुत कोशिश हो रही है कि वो कुछ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बिल्ड करें, बट क्योंकि वो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान है उनके लिए ज़रा चैलेंजेस हैं फ्रॉम अ ब्यूरोक्रेसी लेवल। और थर्ड जो सबसे मुश्किल इदारा है वो FBR है। FBR के साथ मेरा रिकमेंडेशन हमेशा ये होता है कि आप कोशिश हमेशा ये करें कि टैक्स 4 आने ज़्यादा भर दें, ताकि कोई जो है ना उनकी तरफ से क्वेरी ना आए। क्या होगा, 4 आने की आपकी क्रेडिट बन जाएगी ना, अगले साल आप एडजस्ट कर दीजिएगा, कोई मसला थोड़ी है। आप कहीं जा तो नहीं रहे, ना FBR कहीं जा रहा है, 4 आने ज़्यादा दे दें, बहुत बेहतर रहेगा। It's it becomes a much less painful experience. So yeah, very useful feedback. Thank you all. Thank you. Abhi hum
Umar, there were some few queries from the participants, and off and on इधर भी लोग पूछ रहे होते हैं regarding this company registration. तो इस पे लोगों के बहुत सारी queries होते हैं, कुछ fear ये भी होते हैं. There was a question that someone asked कि अगर हम कंपनी रजिस्टर कर देंगे तो वो हमारे नाम से कंपनी एक रजिस्टर्ड है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से ओके इरम अब्बास रजिस्टर्स अ कंपनी, नाउ कल को जब मैं अपना टैक्स फिल इन करने जाऊंगी तो मुझे अपना बिजनेस से रिलेटेड बहुत सारा कुछ इनकम टैक्स फॉर्म में भी डालना पड़ेगा, एंड वहां पे मुझे फिर एक्स्ट्रा टैक्सेस लग जाएंगे. सो इस फियर की वजह से लोग जो है वो कंपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं जाते.
ऐसा नहीं है,
because if they don't register, नहीं, this is a query, I'm just
मैं
clear.
जवाब देना चाह रहा हूं,
लोगों को जवाब दे सके. अगर वो ये कहते हैं अगर हम पाकिस्तान में रजिस्ट्रेशन अगर हम नहीं करवाते तो we can still operate and run and earn full profits. तो उसका आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दें.
जी मैं इसका जवाब देना चाहूंगा.
What is the benefit?
कि हाँ, when you register a sole proprietor company, तो बेसिकली सारी जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर आ जाती है, और आपकी जो भी कमाई है वो उस कमर्शियल या बिजनेस टैक्स के अंदर आती है. अगर आप प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी रजिस्टर करवाते हैं, इनकॉर्पोरेट करवाते हैं, तो बेसिकली यू बिकम एन एम्प्लॉय ऑफ दैट कंपनी. तो आपके ऊपर वही टैक्स स्लैब फॉलो होता है जो कि एक एवरेज, अभी तक अगर आप जॉब कर रहे थे तो आपके पास जिस तरह का टैक्स स्लैब आता था वो आएगा. आपकी कंपनी अलग टैक्स पे कर रही होगी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट द कंपनी इज अर्निंग.
Okay. You are suggesting कि लोगों को as a private company register करना चाहिए, proprietorship नहीं करना चाहिए. So there are many people like हमारे पास FI में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग आते हैं who are working, which already job कर रहे हैं, और वो sideline they want to start their startup gradually. वो अभी job से resign नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं. They want to continue with their job ताकि लोग जो है वो job भी करें, and then so उसमें what is the जॉब की अर्निंग से ऑलरेडी इनकम टैक्स पे कर रहे हैं, और यहाँ फिर वो दोबारा से उनको मतलब फियर है कि वो कैसे करेंगे.
इनकम जो भी आपकी इनकम होगी वो उस पे तो आपने टैक्स पे करना है.
yes.
अब किसी भी चैनल के थ्रू आ रही हो, आप हो सकता है अक्सर लोग जो है जो कि जॉब भी कर रहे हैं, आजकल फ्रीलांसिंग बड़ी चल रही है, शाम में वो कोडर्स, वो डेवलपर्स, वो डिजाइनर्स फ्रीलांस भी कर रहे होते हैं। सो इनकम टैक्स का मतलब है आपकी जो भी पूरी इनकम है, अब वो 10 रुपए है, 100 रुपए है या लाख रुपए है, उस पे आप जिस टैक्स स्लैब के अंदर आते हैं आपको उस पे टैक्स पे करना होता है।
Say, and then in
So I
that
think finally we can see Asim bhai as
proprietorship,
well.
जी प्रोप्राइटरशिप जब रजिस्टर करते हैं तो फिर वो उनको कंपनी का टैक्स नहीं
प्रोप्राइटरशिप में बेसिकली आपका पर्सनल एंटिटी बिजनेस एंटिटी बन जाता है। सो लेट्स सपोज के एज एन इनकम टैक्स पेयर अगर आपको 10% टैक्स पे करना था एज एन एम्प्लॉई, जब आपका बिजनेस एंटिटी हो गया तो आपको 25% टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा ऑन ऑल योर इनकम, दैट इंक्लूड्स योर जॉब सैलरी एज वेल।
सो
वो ज्यादा घाटे का सौदा है।
हाँ, तो सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में ना करें एंड देन एज अ कंपनी रजिस्टर कर दें एंड देन व्हाटएवर इनकम, फिर कंपनी के एसेट से उनको कुछ नहीं देना है।
नहीं कुछ नहीं।
So this is something clear for all the participants.
Omar wants to
because this
mention
is a major
something.
reason. Last
Omar
हमारे cohort में, okay, so last cohort में हमारे पास कुछ लोगों ने drop out किया था इसी खौफ की वजह से।
Iram,
That is why I asked
Umar
this
want to
question.
say something.
जी जी
जी उमर।
जी उमर।
First of all, I just want to take 1 second.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही उमर।
आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है।
आवाज आ रही?
Yes.
अब
आसिफ भी आ गए।
हाँ, आसिफ आ गए। तो बिफोर वी हैंड ओवर टू आसिफ, वालेकुम सलाम, आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि टैक्स पे करना हमारा फर्ज है।
Yes.
एग्रीड, यस।
पाकिस्तानी होने के,
Agreed 100%.
एक शहरी
Very
होने के
true.
हमारा फर्ज है टैक्स पे करना। जो
Yes.
लोग टैक्स इवेजन और टैक्स अवॉइडेंस के चक्कर में अपना नुकसान करते हैं, अपने मुल्क का नुकसान करते हैं, अपने जो इर्द गिर्द जो लोग रहते हैं उनके नेबर्स का नुकसान करते हैं, लानत है उन लोगों के ऊपर जो टैक्स चोरी करते हैं।
ओ भाई
लानत।
ये मसला नहीं है।
आप
It's not about टैक्स चोरी। नहीं, लास्ट हमारे कोहोर्ट में स्पेशली जो फीमेल्स होती है ना, उन्होंने ड्रॉप आउट किया था एंड द रीजन ओनली वाज कि उनको ये टैक्स सिस्टम समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, तो उनके लिए
वो एक अलग चीज है।
इट इज जस्ट अ फियर,
नहीं देखिए
इट्स
इरम,
नॉट अवॉइडेंस।
हमारे यहाँ तो खवातीन पे ड्रॉप करती हैं कि वो उनके मियाँ ने उनको इजाजत नहीं दी। तो ये खवातीन के मसाइल में तो आप नहीं पढ़ सकती हैं क्योंकि ये कल्चरल मसले हैं, इनको हमें बहुत बड़े लेवल पे क्रैक करना पड़ेगा। एनीवे, ऑन दिस लेट्स हैंड ओवर टू आसिफ। आसिफ, वेलकम।
आसिफ,
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, very well.
Yes, we can.
Yes, loud and
Okay,
clear.
great. Today is a very special day for me as well because this institute से मैंने graduation की थी, CBM, IUPM भी हुए, so they have just completed 25 years, and they have also made me part of a member alumni council.
MashaAllah.
So it's a very good recognition from the institute that get graduated. So I'm here. They are celebrating 25 years. So I just walked out of a meeting, and Umar Bhai asked me to share my experience of Founder Institute, what I can recall is that I did my graduation from FY in 2015, and I think it was the first batch of Founder Institute in Pakistan, not just only in Karachi, but it was in Pakistan. It was the first batch. So, and at that point in time, I was running my other businesses, but I always wanted to learn that what is a world-class, processes of running a business and, running an enterprise and, how to scale it up and how to do things properly. Because in Pakistan, unfortunately, there are a lot of motivational speakers, but they don't tell you, they don't guide you step by step, what are the right steps to build your business. So Founder Institute is a proper institution which basically gives you a structured approach to how to build your business, how to start your business, and tell you what are the next steps. It's not just that you concern about financing first or you talk about the team first. So basically, it starts with the idea. It starts with the idea, and then I'm sure they must the team must have shared a structured approach of each week. I think the program back then it was about 14 weeks. So basically, it allows you to understand how you should start thinking about building your own business, because most of us struggle in a way that where should we start business thinking process, because a lot of people are doing job. They know that they want to do something. They want to do something, but they don't know how to start, where to start, and what are the first steps. So I think the great thing about Founder Institute is, it's not something that you have to do it, throughout the day. It happens once a week, which should be allowing any professional working anywhere in Pakistan to, come and take this course, and at the same time, while they're doing job, they can think about building their own business. So this is one very good thing. Then secondly, I think it gives you a lot of, um, a very, very big network of people who are actually working in industry and who have seen all these challenges. So you're not, again, looking at something that is bookish in nature when people are coming and sharing their experiences. It's a real-time experience, a real-life experience, and what they're sharing with you, what are they sharing with you is something that you will also be able to relate and should be able to solve those problems when you will face those challenges in your startup journey. So this is second, that you get to meet a lot of mentors who have done their businesses, who have gone through their cycles. So it's not something academics only; it's a real life experience that they're bringing it to you. And because books what we read in our academics are generally from the West, from the US or from the Europe, and from big companies, and those books were written in those times when the startup culture was not. It's all about Coca-Cola, it's all about GE, it's all about Philips and all companies. So startup is a different beast altogether. You really need to know it works and what kind of scale and speed do you need to, build your business. Because for a startup, time is very, very important. And if you're losing time, if you're, wasting time in learning something which might help, which might not help, so you can, completely lose your business altogether. And so basically, this is second thing. The first thing is it gives you structured approach. Second, it gives you network. Third, it allows you to basically, get a certification of a program. When you go and meet investors after the program, so they know that you have come through a cycle. It's not something that, you have a vicious circle, or you have like, कोई ख्वाहिश है कि बस मैं business करना चाहता हूँ और आपको उसके fundamentals नहीं पता है. So Founder Institute gives you that, fundamentals, and those fundamentals are very well through research, right? So basically, कोई भी अगर आपका एक product है, तो product की development कैसे होनी है, customer development कैसे होनी है, तो वो पूरे इसके अंदर steps बताए हुए होते हैं. And the Founder Institute actually forces you to think deeply about these things, because these questions, when you go and ask for the money from the investors, they will ask these questions. And if you have not thought through, they will find out very quickly and they will not give you investment. So basically, Founder Institute also, develop a process where you become an investor friendly, investor ready when you are trying to raise money. And in fact, in Pakistan, there are not many venture capital, there are not many VCs, there are not many institutions who are ready to give investments to startups in Pakistan. So it's better to be prepared. If you go half cooked or half prepared, the chances that are already very thin. But if you go half cooked, half prepared, so I'm very positive that you will not get investment. Therefore, so basically, this is number 3. 4, what I think is you become a part of a network, or you become a part of a network which is global in nature. So I think I've not seen this presentation recently, but I'm sure there are about 15,000 graduates globally. So if you want to learn anything, if you're coming across a challenge or a problem, so you can reach out to that network, you can ask them, and because these founders have gone through the same problem in their life, so they were happily available to discuss and share it with you. And because you're from Founder Institute, so there is a connection there too, which becomes very, very important when somebody is responding it to you. So I think these are the 4 things which are very, very important. And particularly something about myself, when I graduated, so I was given a scholarship in the Silicon Valley. So I visited San Francisco in 2015, and I was beside, given a lot of training. I was also allowed to visit Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, and all these companies that we just use as a user. I was, given a chance to visit them, learn from them, and make my, relationship there. And today, the companies that I'm running, those connections are really helping me. Recently, my company's become a, part of WhatsApp in Pakistan. So, I'm not saying that it happened just because of that, but every time you build something, there's a stepping stone that you get. and after some time you make a building out of it. So basically, every step, everyone that helps you, you need to make count of it, and you need to make the best out of it. And that's what happened. So today, my company is working with Google, with Facebook, Amazon, and lots of companies. So basically, something I can surely say that Founder Institute has contributed to that, and I think it's a great institution. It's a great platform. It's probably the only platform that has brought a research-oriented curriculum for the startups. So my recommendation to anyone who's listening to this program, part of this session right now, should, it's not easy. I did so out of 24 people who got and only 4 were able to graduate, because it's not a simple and easy program. It's a difficult program. You really need to give time. You really need to understand what business you're talking about. The feedback sessions, the hot seat sessions they're in, the mentors will come and they'll try to pair you apart beside helping you to grow your business and make your business right. But it's not for easy. And I think it is important. The grinding part is very important, because business itself is not easy. If it was easy, everybody would have done it. So therefore, what I would suggest that take this program, understand, the process, what the process is, and see if you not for everyone. For people who are dedicated, who are members, who want to change their life, who want to change their family life, who want to change their, how people, live in their country. So all these things coming together. So I think my experience of Founder Institute is amazing. It's probably one of the best. I've been to many parts of the world. I've been to many programs, but FI session was one of the best I can recall. And I would recommend and invite everyone to at least try to be a part of it, see if it is working for you. So Omar, that was something I was, trying to give message. And I'm sure, as you move forward and people who would come in, we will have a detailed session with them. I would love to, spend time with them, and if required, I'll do one-on-one session as well.
Great, thank you, Asif. And it was a very, very amazing. And you were just walking and taking us through IOBM. You are at IOBM now, so mashallah. And it was a very pleasure listening to you and your experience. And I'm sure our participants would be benefiting. And thanks for the offer that you would be connecting with them later on as well. So inshallah, we'll approach you again. So if
All
there
right.
are any, thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Asif. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Asif.
So if there are any further questions, we would like to take the questions, or should we just end the session?
No, I think Allah Ta'ala has given us the gift of 30 minutes. So let us put that to good use by saying Zohar Namaz early, by having lunch. There are many things we can use this half an hour for.
Okay.
So my vote is to end the session on a positive note and thank our founders for joining us and sharing their insights.
Okay, so founders, anything we would like to say before we close down?
Thank you for having us, and we have benefited a lot from Founders Institute. And yes, just like Asif said, that we are open to speak with anyone who has any sort of confusions.
So inshallah, once the cohort starts, we will definitely get back to you and would like your help and support as well for the new founders in making. Inshallah.
I think एक चीज जो वैसे मिस करेंगे founders, and I'll be very honest, कि कोई देख ले अगर possible हो कि hybrid model ही हो, because purely virtual में ना वो experience पूरा complete नहीं होगा जो mentors के साथ वो after session जो cafeteria में बैठ के 10-15 मिनट लगते थे और बाकी founders के साथ भी जो एक one-on-one connection develop होता था physically मिल के. So again, it's just a suggestion. It's just a suggestion कि अगर वो possible है तो I think at least एक जो main milestones हैं उनको physical कर लें.
Okay, that's a good suggestion, and thank you very much, Ayaz, for this, and we'll definitely consider that. because आप लोग तो you have gone through the process, so you have experienced it actually. So definitely you know better के what worked well. So definitely we'll consider this.
नहीं, program तो इतना अच्छा program है that I want to enroll again. लेकिन I need to have a fresh idea.
Most welcome, most welcome. But you can join in.
frequent flyer miles देंगे आपको एजाज.
Thank you so much.
Excellent. Good luck. Good luck to everyone.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.